Today I will be unboxing and reviewing the RALENO PLV-S192 dual light set. RALENO 2-pack LED video light and 75-inch stand lighting kit includes built-in battery with one handbag, 2 light stands for gaming, streaming, YouTube, web conference, studio photography, and much more. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. On the back of the light itself, you got your on-off switch here, and the display screen shows you the brightness percent and also the tone, also your battery life. Here you can adjust the brightness, it goes from 1% to 100% and all the way back down depending on how bright you want it. Here is the tone, it goes from 32 to 5600. 5600 is more blue, 3200 is more orange. Lower orange setting and the higher orange setting, so that's all the way to 32. And then we're going to go all the way up to 5600. Show you the difference here. Here I'm showing you the different light variances between the different hues of the 2 light boxes that I have. This painting is also available on my website. Link is in the description. To sum it all up, my honest opinions of this dual light system, I like it. I like it a lot. I actually found out about this light system through a website called faso.com, and they have a whole community of people, artists, that help each other out, and someone suggested this light system to me, so I thought, well, I need lights, and why not? It's a good investment. It runs probably about $120 on Amazon. I like the versatility of this particular system, and for right now it does exactly what I need it to do. I mean, there's not a whole lot of real shadows on my face. I mean, other than my hat bill here. I like it. I like it a lot. If you're looking for a good light system that won't break the bank, I would go and get this RALENO set PLV-S192. I will have a link in the description below to the light system if you are interested in buying one of these sets. I also will have a link in the description for any artists that are watching this video that are looking to build their own website. I'm not sponsored by Faso whatsoever, but if you use this link that I'm going to give you in the description below, it will give you a free month and will also give me a free month on Faso as well. So just click that link, check it out. I did a lot of research on the website myself. It's top notch, and they help with marketing a lot. So if you're in the market for lights or a website, go for it. Hit that description.